Hey everyone, it's Lisa from moonprismplanner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking, watching, and spending a little time with me today. For this week, I'm going to be memory planning the week of May 10th in my Recollections Celestial planner using this kit from jkcreatesco. I've already pre-planned my week as I always do, and I just pre-plan what I know is going to be happening or what should be happening. And then I go back in day by day with the leftovers from the kit and my sticker collection to fill in the gaps and the blank spots with my memories and the things that happened and the things that I did. So if you want to check out how I pre-planned my week, I'll have that video linked down below, or it'll pop up in the card so you can watch it afterwards. But let's go ahead and get started memory planning for Monday. First, I'm going to grab a quarter box from the kit, and I'm going to layer that with a hexagon and a shopping bag icon from the kit. And I'm going to write in there scales and tails because we went to a new store. It's like an exotic pet store for bugs for my son's bearded dragon. And we usually go to PetSmart or Petco, but they are, I don't know, having like a bug shortage or something. So they are oftentimes not like, they don't have the bugs that we need. So we tried out this place really close to our house and they had the bugs that we needed. So it was great. Then I'm going to take a floral deco from Sadie Stickers, from these like floral sheets that she sells, and then a workout icon from the Pretty Pink Co. and a workout script from Sticker Guru, which is a shop that I PR for. Oh, by the way, also PR for jkcreatesco. I'll have all the shops that I'm mentioning linked down below in the description, as well as my discount codes for the shops I PR for, so you can save and get my freebie. And that is just to mark that I did a workout on Monday. And I'm going to use a squiggle from Honey Inked just to add a little bit of planner jewelry. Then I'm going to take a couple of bouquets. One is from jkcreatesco, one is from Destash With Me, which is another shop I PR for. And I'm going to layer that with a dishwasher from Strawberry Creek Studio and a square like midi box from the kit just to mark that I tidied up the kitchen on Monday. I like layering those two flowers together from the two different shops. I think it looked cute like that. And then I just used a leafy divider from jkcreatesco to go at the bottom of the day there because nothing could really fit. And then for the very bottom of the planner, I have a leftover thin gold divider from a Dash Sun Designs kit. She sells those dividers too in her shop, but those dividers came from a kit that I just saved. And I'm going to layer that with this pretty rainbow that also came from the leftovers from Dash Sun. It was from her Mother's Day kit, with a floral from Sadie Stickers and then a money icon from the Giving Girl, just because I needed to file my unemployment claim on Monday. I'm supposed to file it on Sunday, but I forgot, and I ended up filing it on Monday. And then for my gratitude on Monday, I wrote good priced bugs, because that was another benefit of going to the Scales and Tails place, was because their prices were really fair. I think they were cheaper than the bugs that they usually sell at Petco and PetSmart, so that was neat. Moving on to Tuesday, I'm going to take a half mandala from JK Creates and cut it in half and layer that with the Sadie Stickers floral deco, and also a Strawberry Creek cat butt, just to mark that I deep cleaned the litter box on Tuesday. I always once a month do like a deep clean and just dump everything out and scrub it. And I don't like the way that I wrote that because I just hate my handwriting, so I'm going to change that up with whiteout in a bit. But first, I'm going to position this quarter box in and also use another squiggle from Honey Inked, and I'm going to move the quarter box down a little. And that was just to mark that we had our bug guy come and spray. He sprays around the house, like the outside of the house, once a month, just to keep the bugs from like sneaking in, you know, to the inside through the doors or anything like that, you know. We don't have very good insulation, so I feel like they can easily sneak in like underneath or on the sides of the doors and stuff. And so we get like ants and spiders, so if they spray outside of around the house, then they don't come in. So it's a lifesaver in the summer months when the bugs try to come in and avoid the heat, you know. So I'm going to use a circle, like a little dot from the kit, and a spray bottle icon from the kit because, you know, it's like bug spray. So I thought I would use a little spray bottle. And then I also used a, is that one from Dash With Me? Yeah, I used a like floral deco above that, and I like how it's tall, so it kind of like goes into that negative space next to the little scallop semicircle there for the new moon, so that worked out pretty good. And then I'm just gonna rewrite deep cleaning the litter box again because I hate my handwriting. Then I have these beautiful strips of like thick lacy washi strips from the Sticker Garden, which is a friend of mine named Tara, and she does not have a shop, but I think she's starting to kind of play around with the idea of getting a shop. So go follow her on Instagram if that's something you want to get. She sent me over a nice Happy Mail package, and she made those pretty washi strips. So I'm going to use that just to, you know, add a little bit of pretty foil there, and I have nothing else to mark. So then I'm taking a box from the kit, and I'm going to use the some of the deco from the kit. It's like a bowl of, I don't know, like oatmeal or something, because it looks like there's bananas on it. And that was just to mark my in-laws brought over some food from the Golden Corral, because they had a free coupon for my father-in-law's birthday. So they went and ate, and they also like got some to-go plates and brought us back some food, which I thought was really sweet of them to do. Then I'm taking a skinny flag from the kit and a pretty floral flag from Clever Gal Crafts with the Rose and Tea Shop collab, and then a set of weights from Crafts by Thaowie, because Tuesday and Thursday are my weight days, my strength training days. So I was just marking that. I also forgot, I was supposed to save room to mark my son's IEP meeting, and I remembered like telling myself to save the room for it, but I still forgot for some reason. So I'm going to take one of these little midi boxes and then a meeting arrow bow accent from the Give and Girl to write in that my son had his IEP meeting on Tuesday, and I'm going to layer that with a virtual learning icon from Dash's son. That's one of her hand-drawn bow doodle icons, because you know it's a virtual meeting, so and he's doing virtual learning. So yeah, he had his IEP meeting on Tuesday, and I wrote for my gratitude, good IEP and dinner, because you know, always love a free dinner, and a great IEP meeting is an outstanding thing. Then moving on to Wednesday, I'm going to grab a rescheduled script from The Giving Girl, because I did not film that April highlights video, so I had to reschedule that. I'm going to take a pillow deco from the kit and layer that with a Fox and Pip bed sheets icon that says change sheets. And I'm going to layer that with the other half of the mandala that I cut. Oh wait, where did I cut that mandala? Oh, that's right. I cut the mandala to go in the top left corner for the month section, and so I had the other half of it to use, so I layered it underneath the pillow. I thought the pillow would be like perfect, because it's like, you know, pillows, changing bed sheets, all that stuff. So that was cute. And then I also layered that with a jkcreatesco bouquet. Then I'm going to take a box from the kit and then a shoe icon from Crafts by Thaowie, and just write in there plantar fasciitis, because I sustained another injury working out yet again. And I hurt my foot, which I believe is plantar fasciitis, after looking up the symptoms and where the pain is. It's like right on my heel, and it hurt really bad to like walk and put any kind of pressure on it. So that's unfortunate. I don't even know how you get that injury. I think it's like a gradual kind of a thing, because I think I was feeling that pain for a little while, and I just kind of brushed it off, like, oh, whatever, it'll go away, you know, but then it got really bad on Wednesday and Thursday. So I also used a doodle from Rose Colored Days just to point at the shoe, and for my gratitude I wrote new phone case, because I finally got my new phone case in from Casetify with the pretty purpley pink moon vases going vertically. It looks really cute. And some of y'all helped me pick it out on Instagram, because I put a story up and I couldn't figure out which kind of case I wanted, because they have a bunch of cute moon cases, and that was the winning case. So thank y'all for helping me. And then on to Thursday, I'm going to put a, what is this? Oh, another like icon from Clever Gal Crafts with the pretty florals in the background. And then I have a set of weights from Planner Pixie Co, because again, Tuesdays and Thursdays are my weight days. And I figured that weights wouldn't be too bad with the plantar fasciitis, because I'm not like jumping around and stuff. I'm pretty stationary when I'm doing weight days. So I just used, I decided to still go ahead and do my weight day, and everything was okay. And then I used a workout script from Sticker Guru, and then another squiggle from Honey Inked above that. Then over a box from the kit, I'm going to layer a bouquet floral deco from Dash's son, and then I have a Rose Shadow collection, like a bow drop shopping kind of sticker icon thing. And I just used the one with the grocery cart, because I went to Trader Joe's on Thursday after my workout, so I used a Trader Joe's script from Wild Summer Designs. And then I am taking another box from the kit, and then one of these scalloped semicircles from the kit, and I'm layering that with another mandala from jkcreatesco. And the semicircle is to mark that I could not finish my walk. I usually work out and take a walk every day. Just helps me to close my rings and stay active, you know. So I did the weight workout just fine with the dumbbells. But I don't know, after Trader Joe's and then I tried to go on my walk, it was so painful, y'all. I mean, I was limping within like 5 minutes of being on the walk, and my son was riding his hoverboard and he was like, Mommy, do you want to use my hoverboard to go home? And I thought that was so sweet. But I was like, no, thank you, because I've literally never stepped foot on that thing. I'm just kind of scared to try. I don't want to like fall off it and like twist my back and really hurt myself, you know? So he's asked me to try it before and I was like, maybe one day. Now, unfortunately, if I had learned how to use it, then I could have totally just rode the thing home. Instead of limped like half a mile to get back to our house or whatever. So that's unfortunate, but yeah, I couldn't finish my walk. It was too painful. So just to mark that, I used like an emoji face kind of thing, kind of looking frustrated because I was frustrated that I couldn't finish my walk and I couldn't close my rings on Thursday. And that was a little expression sticker from Bubble Mon Stickers Co. I've never used that shop before, but Tara sent me some Happy Mail, and so it came in handy. Then I used another divider from Dash's Son, and then wrote in that bottom box that I borrowed a book from Libby, and I used the book icon deco from the kit, and I wrote for my gratitude ube ice cream because Trader Joe's has it back in stock, and it is super delicious. If you liked ube or taro, I highly recommend it. Then on to Friday, I am just checking off my checklist for my bill dues, my bills due, then taking an arrow from the kit, and then a budget time script from Piper Paper Company, and I just cut it so it would fit there because I had to update my budget. Then I'm going to take a floral deco from Sadie Stickers, and then this cute little print inserts icon with the printer because I printed out my checkbook inserts because I like to keep track of my bank account with a checkbook like an old lady. I used to work for a bank for 10 years, so I find it the most like accurate way for me to keep track of my finances without giving myself too much anxiety over it. So that is a sticker from a joyful a joyful dream. And then I'm taking another fun size box from the kit, and I'm going to layer that with a bouquet from JK Creates and a heart fork and spoon icon from Simply Gilded because I had dinner with my family on Friday. My husband's sister and her husband were in town, so since they were visiting, we went over to my in-laws' house to have dinner all together on Friday. And for my gratitude, I wrote little pain walking because I did manage to start to do some. We looked up some YouTube videos about plantar fasciitis, and there were some stretches they recommended. My husband was massaging my feet, which was super sweet and felt much better. And I was like icing it. So I was grateful that Friday I had very little pain, especially because considering Thursday I couldn't even finish my walk because it hurt so bad. Then on to Saturday, I'm going to take a bigger floral deco from Sadie Stickers, and then one of these adorable bowstring cloud boxes from the Giving Girl, and a laptop icon from the kit to mark that I was doing some job applications on Saturday. And then I used another squiggle from Honey Inked under that, and then I did need to make a phone call to the library because they had a free magic show going on next week that I wanted to RSVP to because they were saying that reservations were highly recommended. So I layered a Clever God Crafts floral circular icon with a circle like dot thing from the kit, and then a Pretty Pink Co. cell phone icon that is unfoiled to mark that I had to make that phone call. And then I'm going to take a flag from the kit and a shoe from the kit and take a walk script from the Giving Girl because I did manage to take a normal walk on Saturday without barely any pain. There was a little bit of pain, but I was grateful to just be back at it, you know. And then for my half box at the bottom there, I always saved to write in our little movie night. We watched We watched Princess Mononoke, so I just wrote the name in there. And then for my Saturday gratitude, I wrote take a full walk. Because again, I was grateful that the pain was so bad Thursday, y'all, but it's gotten so much better even in just a couple of days. So, and then for Sunday, I'm going to grab a box from the kit and then a Crafts by Thaowie. It's like a sticker sheet set, stickers of stickers, really cute. Just because I needed to put away the stickers from my planning. I had a bunch when when I do my like weekly plan with me, I have a bunch of stickers all laying out everywhere. So then I grabbed some floral deco from Sadie Stickers and then a Crafts by Thaowie face mask because I did my little self-care Sundays. I try to remember to do a little extra, maybe a physical exfoliation or like a face mask or something, just, you know, once a week. Then I'm going to take another one of those thicker lace washi strips from the Sticker Garden and layer that over a very skinny quarter box from the kit and just wrote play at the park because we go to the park every Sunday so my son can play basketball and skate and have a little fun. And I layered that with a couple of these cute hearts from jkcreatesco from that sampler from my order, and it's just these cute doodly hearts that are overlapping each other. And for my Gratitude Sunday, I wrote B-Ball to get time together because it's fun that I get to play with my son, even though I'm not good at it. We just like to play horse around the world and to spend some time together, you know? And that is going to be everything for this memory plan with me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up because it helps out my channel and I truly appreciate your support. Be sure you subscribe so be sure you're subscribed if you're not already, and leave me a comment if you have a question about anything or if you just want to say hi, and I'll say hi back. I love talking to y'all. I hope that you're well. Remember that you're loved, you're worthy, and you're enough just the way that you are. Don't let anyone ever tell you otherwise. I hope that y'all take care, stay safe, have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!